guys, today I'll be showing you how to make thumbnails on your iPhone using only free apps. Yes, I said it, free. I saw another girl do a video like this, but the people who own the main app that she used decided to make it cost money. So I found another way to do what she did without having to drain your pockets. I go into Picsart. It's Picsart, you see that? You get your background. I just took a picture of the back of my room. So you take your background, you gotta make sure it's in 16, I think it's 16:9, yeah. You have to make sure it's in 16:9. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press effects. Where is that? Oh, there. I'm stupid. I like to blur it a little bit, but you don't have to blur it. But I just like to do it a little bit. And you go press apply. Then I like to put a little color. You don't have to do it neither. You could put a little color, like maybe this color. Maybe like purple. I'm gonna fade it a little bit, yeah. So I got the colors, just gonna save it. Alright. Okay, so then I'm gonna go into Google and I'm gonna search camera 180 minutes overlay PNG. You see that? So I'm gonna just press this. I'm gonna just use this right here. You can use any one you want. They have others that you can use, but I'm just gonna use that one. You also want to search up sunray vector. If you want this little background in the back, or you can search up or thumbnail background PNG. You can also, they have these too. So I'm just gonna get my options. Maybe like the purple. So then I'm gonna go back to Picsart. Add photo. Add your little thing. Fit it to the scale of the thing. And press blend. You can go lighten it like that. And that's pretty good. Apply. You could leave it like this, or if you want to make a little prism effect to it, this is what I do. So save it, go into Videoleap, take a picture and go press effect, prism. You don't have to, if you can put it to how you want it. I think I want it like that. You're gonna export it. I'm going to camera. Oh, okay. So you can screenshot it. Edit it, just to make sure that go to 69. Okay. So that's how I get the little prism. There's probably an easier way to do it, but this is how I do it. And then I go into Picsart. You're gonna use the picture that you just did. Add photo. So then you go put your vector. I don't know which one I want. Let me see. Maybe I'm gonna try the purple since the background is kind of purple. Then you're gonna go to lighten, and then yeah, that's good. I'm gonna just keep it like that. You're gonna press apply, and then boom, you got your background. You got your little background. And also, if y'all wanted to put the sun ray vector, all you would do is just line it up. And then press opacity, whatever. And just put it how you want it. And then that's how you do it. So then I'm gonna add a picture. If y'all don't know how to do the little picture thing, let me save this. If you don't know how to do the picture thing, this is how you do it. So this is just an example. I did it already. This is just like an example picture. Flip it. Well, I'm just saying. Then you go in the cutout and you press person, and it's just gonna cut you out. It's gonna make a little PNG. You could like put anything you want in it by restoring it, or if you don't want nothing, like something that's in there, you can erase too. But it looks like they like have it. They pretty much have it most of the time. Most of the time, like, you're gonna have to fix it up, but this time they did it right. Then I'm gonna save it. See? Then go to Bazaart. It's Bazaart. Then I'm gonna, oh, where is it? Did I not save it? I don't think I did. Okay, look at it. Alright, so I'm just gonna take it out a little bit, outline it. Okay, done. Save image. And you just, when you go back to Picsart, you would just like put it like that. You see that? I add my stickers that I've previously got, and you can just like do it any way you want. You can also add emojis. I'm gonna add this one. I'm just gonna I usually like to put my emojis in the back of the pictures. So you just press move down, press the little stack button up the top, and press move down, and you see it's gonna go at the bottom of the picture. Okay, I think that's pretty good. And you can also like put a little shadow behind it if you kind of want it to stand out.
You see, stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on two separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions.
Maybe it's too
When played
much.
back simultaneously on two separate
Not that
systems,
much.
the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound, impossible to obtain in a
Let's go
mono
right
recording.
there. Apply. Okay. I'm gonna save this right there. To put your caption I'm gonna go into Phonto. Then you wanna get your picture right here. Alright, and go press add text. And you could they have different fonts that you can use, a bunch of them that you can choose from. But I like this one. To make, and I'm gonna go to style. I usually like to put a little shadow to make it stand out. And I usually like to make a color patterns. And then if you go into vertical, you see you have there's different ways you can put it up there. You have a little, ombre effect to make a little ombre effect. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it gray. Yeah, I might pick another color, maybe a pink or purple. Oh, I was finna say. Okay. Then you can if you want to curve it, you can curve it however you want in a circle anyway. I'm just curve it a little bit like that. See, like that. Then I'm gonna do different color. I'm gonna put thumbnails. Okay. Then I'm gonna make it stand out. I'm gonna change it to a different purple. And you can adjust the size and stuff. Thumbnails. Okay. Let me make it a little bigger. Thumbnails. Should I put on or from your on your ray or something? Let me put a color pattern. I like making color pattern. On your and you can change how you want it spaced out. No man. I kind of like it how it was before. I like that, but okay. Thumbnails on your, and I'm gonna put iPhone. Oh, I can't spell. And I'll make this pink. Shadow up, facing up, pink. Ooh, I should make them all with a color pattern, pink color pattern. Yeah. Let me make this one color pattern. Yeah. Made it kind of Okay. Yeah, that's cute. Y'all can't tell me this ain't fire right here. Okay. Then save image. Okay. Y'all can leave it like this, or y'all can go back to Picsart if y'all want to add like a design or a sticker or something. Go back to Picsart. Press this. Okay. You can go right here. Where's that? Call out. You can do something like this. Like that, right here. Yeah, I'm gonna just do like that. I'm gonna just flip back in. All free apps. And then put it back to that person. Well, me. And put it back to me. Okay, so like that. Pink? No, I'm gonna leave it white. Maybe gray. Yeah. I'm good gray. Yeah, it's good. All free apps. Apply. Then I might add like a little arrow pointing to my phone, like iPhone. Okay. That's pretty good. Okay, I like this one. Alright, this is the thumbnail that I came up with. I hope you enjoyed. If this video was useful, please leave a like, subscribe, and comment any other suggestions y'all have for me. But yeah, that's it. Peace, y'all.
Digits on the beat.